So you're off to Telford and your lovely kits all need transporting there. How are you going to do it? Well, I'll show you how I do it. Don't go anywhere. Roll credits. So you may have noticed that the audio in that little introduction sounded ever so ropey. What happened was I actually made a sort of 10-minute or so video about what I'm doing. Something's been updated somewhere and the microphone was switched off on this camera, which is I think the second time this has happened, which is beginning to get a little bit annoying, but so here we are. So I'm going to kind of, rather than muck about revoicing and try to get stuff to sync up with what I've already recorded on basically a silent film, I shall start again. So first things first is that if you are going to Telford, I'm going to be there Saturday and Sunday. I shall be with the IPMS Kitmaker Club, or Bulldogs. We kind of called by either name. The IPMS call us Kitmakers, we call ourselves the Bulldog, and the stand is all kind of branded as Bulldogs. So with that out of the way, the problem is you don't know what I look like. So, face reveal. Are you feeling brave? And here we go. Perfectly in shot. And I'm not looking at the camera because the monitor is over there. But yeah, hello. So this is me. I'll be on the Bulldog stand, looking like this. Two things have happened for me to do this. First one is I was rocking a beard till last night. That's had to go. And the other thing is I've had to have a bit of a tidy up actually. As you can see, I do shop at Aldi. But yes, on to the nuts and bolts of why I made this video. One is to kind of say hello. The other one is how I transport kits, which is quite easy if I can. It's like this. Simply plastic tubs. You can buy these any sort of DIY or home store, home bargains as well. In the original video this was empty and I put the Spitfire in first just to show how it all works, and it's pretty simple. Simply get one of these, get a piece of polystyrene in the bottom, and if you've got like a washing machine, anything like that, anything big delivered, you get a load of this, which is actually hard to throw away because you need to they don't like you recycling it at the minute. So piece of that in there with kits in there, a few toothpicks just to hold everything in place, because you know you can be, give it a shape. I mean it's just going to be in the boot of the car. We're just going to be driving down. It's not going to be like a parcel being delivered and thrown about. So this is usually good enough. So this lot is this year's output mostly, I do believe. But what I've also got is another one. Now this, can you see that? Let's just move the camera a bit. This is the stuff I took to last year's Telford. Still remaining in the container. because all in all, if you keep your kits in something like this, take them out now and again when you want to display them or put on video, whatever. This keeps them nice and safe. So I do tend, once I've built something, crate it up, put it on display in the house, you know, for a while and what have you. And then the other positive side of that is, of course, go to a model show, you don't have to mess about, pick it up and go. So it's a little bit shorter video than I originally planned, thanks to the thanks for the microphone issue. So all that remains for me to do is to sort this, put you back to where you started. There we go, back to normal. And if you are going to Telford on the weekend, maybe I'll see you and say hello, all that good stuff. If it's your first time at Telford, you will have a brilliant time. If it's not your first time at Telford, you will have a brilliant time. So on that note, I'll finish this video, and maybe I'll see you. But enjoy Telford if you're going.